The Xiaomi Redmi 14C, launched on August 30, 2024, positions itself as a budget-friendly smartphone that balances performance and afford. Here is an in-depth review based on its specifications and user feedback. The Redmi 14C features a sleek design with dimensions of 171.9 x 77.8 x 8.2 mm and a weight range of 204 to 211 grams, depending on the model. It boasts a glass front, plastic frame, and options for either a glass back or an ECO leather finish. Available colors include midnight black, sage green, dreamy purple, and starry blue, making it visually appealing in the budget category. Equipped with a 6.88-inch IPS LCD display, the Redmi 14C offers a resolution of 720 x 1640 pixels 260p density and supports a refresh rate of 120 Hz. While the display is not full HD, it provides decent brightness levels up to 600 nits that enhance outdoor usability. The screen-to-body ratio is around 84%, contributing to an immersive viewing experience for everyday tasks like browsing and video watching. Under the hood, the device is powered by the MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra chipset, featuring an octa-core CPU 2x20 GHz Cortex-A75 and an 6x1.8 GHz Cortex-A55 and a Madi G50 to MC to GPU. This combination ensures smooth performance for daily activities and light gaming, although it may struggle with more demanding applications. The phone comes with various RAM options: 4GB, 6GB, or 8GB, and internal storage choices of 128GB or 256GB, expandable via microSDs. The camera setup includes a dual rear configuration, a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor. This setup allows for decent photography in good lighting conditions, while the AI enhancements help in low light scenarios. The front-facing 13MP camera also performs satisfactorily for selfies and video calls, recording at 1080p at 30 fps. One of the standout features of the Redmi 14C is its substantial 5160 mAh battery, which easily lasts through a full day of moderate to heavy use. It supports 18-wire charging, which may not be the fastest, but is adequate for its class. Users have reported reliable battery performance without abnormal drains. Running on Android 14 with HiPros, the Redmi 14C offers an intuitive user interface with customization options. However, some users noted that the software might feel stripped down compared to higher-end models, lacking certain multitasking features. Despite this, it remains stable and user-friendly for everyday tasks. The device supports dual SIM functionality: Nano SIM, Wi-Fi 802.11 A or B or Qi or N or AC, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC market-dependent, and FM radio. It also includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for security. In summary, the Xiaomi Redmi 14C emerges as a commendable option within the budget segment. It delivers solid performance, impressive battery life, and decent camera capabilities without breaking the bank, priced around $131.97 or $135.5.